Hello everyone, welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I will show you how I make pulled pork and I will cook in a slow cooker. It's a very simple recipe and I hope you enjoy. Let's go started. I have 10 pounds of pork shoulder. Grate the ratio of meat and fat to put on the side. And let's go combine all the dry ingredients. I have half a cup of brown sugar, cayenne pepper. I will put 1 tablespoon, paprika 2 tablespoons, oregano 1 tablespoon, and thyme 1 tablespoon. The dry ingredients. Now I will combine everything. Okay, the dry ingredients combined, put on the side. For this recipe I have 2 onions. Okay, onion is chopped. I like garlic so much, so for this today recipe, yes, I'll use whole garlic. See, when you press garlic, so easy to remove the hard skin. This size pieces looks perfect to me. Here you go. This part is done. I just turned on the slow cooker and on the bottom I will place onion and garlic, pork shoulder. Okay, the pork shoulder is in a slow cooker. Next, orange juice, 1 cup, apple cider, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Looks like it's lots of meat in my slow cooker, but after a few hours size of the meat will reduce. Will be smaller size. Just cover and wait. I put on a high heat right now. I cook pulled pork for about 5.5 hours. You can see the pork is very soft. Okay, it's next step. Next step I will shred pork. I cook pork for almost 6 hours. Now it's time to remove from the slow cooker. Pork is so soft, you can see. The name is pulled pork because you just pull like this, separate meat. Okay, I just pull the pork and going back to the juice. This and we're done cooking. Now I will stir. Pulled pork is done. The last part I will stir pork with the juice. All the ingredients combined and the pulled pork is done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.